Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing your home appliances as easy as pie. Today, we're tackling the Bosch Dishwasher E35 error code, a frustrating issue that can halt your dishwashing routine in its tracks. If you've seen that blinking E35 on your display, stick around because we'll break down what it means, why it's happening, and how to get your dishwasher running smoothly again in no time. First things first, let's decode the E35 error. In Bosch dishwashers, E35 typically signals a problem with the water intake system. This means your machine isn't getting the water it needs to operate properly, often due to blockages or mechanical failures. It's a common error in 2025 models, but don't worry, most cases can be fixed with some basic troubleshooting. Now, onto the causes. The most frequent culprit is a clogged inlet filter, which can accumulate debris, mineral buildup, or even food particles over time. Another possibility is a faulty water inlet valve that's not opening correctly, or perhaps a kinked or blocked water supply hose preventing proper flow. Less commonly, it could stem from low water pressure in your home or issues with the dishwasher's internal sensors. Alright, let's jump into the solutions. Start by ensuring your safety. Unplug the dishwasher and turn off the water supply. Step 1. Locate and remove the inlet filter, usually found at the bottom of the unit, and clean it thoroughly with warm, soapy water. Rinse it well and reinstall it. Next, check the water supply hose for any kinks, blockages, or loose connections, and make sure the water tap is fully open. If that doesn't resolve it, you might need to test the inlet valve using a multimeter for continuity. If you're not handy with tools, skip this and call a professional. Remember, always consult your dishwasher's manual for model-specific advice, as steps can vary. By following these tips, you should clear that E35 error and get back to clean dishes hassle-free. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy fixes, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.